Yes, hello viewers. This is next video of Act 3rd, Scene 2, The Tempest. And in this video, I will start from line number 25. This is the speech of Trinculo. Trinculo here says, before I start this speech, let me remind you that Caliban has offered to be the servant forever for Stefano. Along with this, he has said that I am not going to serve him. Him matlab Trinculo. I am not going to serve Trinculo because he is not a brave man. So now Trinculo makes a reply in line number 25. Trinculo says, Thou liest, most ignorant monster. I am in case to justle a constable. Why, thou debauched fish, thou was there ever man a coward, that hath drunk so much sack as I today. Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie, being but half a fish and a half monster? So Trinculo says, you are telling a lie, Caliban here. Caliban, he says that you are the most ignorant monster. You have no knowledge. You are the foolish monster. And whatever you have just said about me, it is a big lie. In this case means, I am in case, means right now, even in this condition when I have drunk so much, I can fight against a policeman. Even I can get into a fight with a policeman. Why thou debauched fish? Debauched fish means you are a rotten fish, you can say, or immoral fish. Was there ever man a coward that had drunk so much sack as I today? You see how much sack, how much wine I have drunk today. Have you ever seen any coward man, means any person who is fearful by nature, have ever drunk so much wine? It means he wants to say that no coward can drink so much wine as I have drunk today. So you let me know if you have seen any coward drinking so much wine like me. Will thou tell a monstrous lie, being but half a fish and half monster? By your appearance, you are half fish and half monster. So such a man, how can you tell such a big lie about me? So Caliban replies, Lo, how he mocks me. Will thou let him, my lord? So now Caliban thinks that this man is making fun of me by calling me debauched fish, half monster, etc., etc. So he wants that Stefano, his new master, should put him to task, should give him some punishments. So he speaks to Stefano, say, Lo means, Lo, look how he mocks at me, how he is making fun of me. So please, you teach him a lesson. My lord refers to Stefano. So Stefano, my lord, I request you to teach him a lesson. Trinculo, line number 30, Lord, quoth he. Oh my God, he is calling him Lord. It's a big title for Stefano because Trinculo knows the reality of Stefano. So therefore Trinculo says that he is calling him Lord, that a monster should be such a natural. Oh my God, he seems to be a monster by birth. Natural monster, matlab he is completely idiot, completely stupid fellow, and he cannot make any difference in a man or a lord. Caliban, lo again. Bite him to death, I pray thee. Caliban again requests Stefano that you just look at him. He is still ridiculing me, so please kill him to death. I request you to kill him. Stefano just feels that yes, I should do something for my subject. So Stefano says, Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. If you prove a mutineer, the next tree. The poor monster is my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity. So Stefano scolds Trinculo for the sake of Caliban. He says that Trinculo, you just mind your language. Keep a good tongue in your head means you just mind your language. Don't say such kind of insulting words for my monster. If you prove a mutineer means if you do not follow my orders. Yani ke if you work against my orders, so look at the next tree, I will bind you over there. कहने का मतलब I will hang you on the next tree as punishment. This poor monster now is my subject. It is my duty to look after his welfare. So he shall not suffer indignity. Because of you, he shall not suffer any kind of humiliation. So therefore, I tell you to mind your language. Caliban is happy. Caliban, in line number 30, 35, sorry. He says that, I thank my noble lord. Will thou be pleased to hearken once again to the suit I made to thee? So Caliban thinks that now his lord, his master, has done a wonderful job and Trinculo will no more interfere. So he says that, I thank you, my lord, for all this generosity. So now please think about that noble suit which I had already appealed to you. You think about that request which I have already made to you. What request? Let me remind you, he is talking about the assassination of the murder of Prospero, because he wanted Stephano to kill Prospero. Only then Caliban can become the servant of Stephano. So he reminds him of his previous request. Stephano says, marry will I, kneel and repeat it. I'll stand and so shall Trinculo. So Stephano says, oh yes, yes. I just means by Virgin Mary, I just say that I will help you. So you just sit on your knees and repeat your request. Once again, you speak your request. Actually, maybe Stephano has forgotten because he was not taking all these things seriously. He was not in his proper senses. So he says that you just kneel here, sit here on your knees and repeat. I will stand, means I will take a stand for you, and Trinculo will also be with us. Just then enter Ariel invisible. So since they are going to talk about Prospero, naturally Ariel will appear over there. So Ariel appears there, but he is not visible to them. We can imagine that, we can assume that now Ariel will interfere in their issues. So Caliban says, as I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer, that by his cunning hath cheated me of the island. So Caliban says, line number 40, you can read, as I had already told you, I am a subject to a tyrant, means I am a servant to a person who is tyrant by nature, who is cruel by nature, a sorcerer. And my master is a sorcerer, he is a magician. He is a superhuman. He has many magical powers. And by using his magical powers cunningly, he has cheated me of this island. Yani ke he has snatched this island from me. He has taken away this island from me. Actually, here Caliban wants to propose this island belongs to me. But by using his magical powers, he has taken this island from me. So Ariel interferes here, thou liest. Yani ke you are telling a lie. Ariel is not visible, but he says that you are telling a lie. These words are heard by all. So Caliban thinks that thou liest, thou jesting monkey, thou, I would my valiant master would destroy thee, I do not lie. So Caliban thinks that still Trinculo is making fun of him, and he is saying that he is telling lie. So therefore, now he calls Trinculo by the name of jesting monkey. Okay, oh, you jesting monkey, you funny monkey, you are actually telling a lie. My valiant master, my brave master now would destroy you. I do not tell a lie. Instead, you are telling a lie. Up to here, we stop in this video. Thank you, viewers. I have covered up to line number 45 in this video. From line number 25 to 45, I have covered in this video. Thank you, viewers. Stay safe.